Exercise 13.2, fourth question. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold the pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. The radius of each depression is 0.5 cm and the depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So here the figure is given in the textbook. A pen stand is like this one. It is in the shape of a cuboid and length and breadth, height, everything is given there. It has 4 conical depressions like this to hold the pen. So you are asked to find out how much wood is there in this one. So the volume of wood will be the volume of cuboid minus the volume of 4 hemispheres, 4 cones. 4 cones. So cones radius it is given and depth is given. Depth is same as the height of the cone. H is 1.4 centimeter. So find the volume of cuboid. Subtract from that one the volume of 4 cones of radius 0.5 centimeter and H is equal to 1.4 centimeter. So let us write volume of wood is equal to volume of cuboid minus 4 into volume of cone. So volume of wood we know that is L into B into H minus 4 into volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square H. So L length is 15, breadth is 10 and height is 3.5. Then here it will come 4 into 1 by 3 into pi, that is 22 by 7, 0.5 into 0.5 into 1.4. Can cancel this one, so it will be 0.2. So 10 into 3.5 it will be 35. So 15 into 35 you will get minus here 4 by 3 or 4 into, or this one you can write 5 into 5, 0.5 into 0.5, it will be 0.25. 0.25 into 0.2, that is equal to 0.05. No, 0.25. Again if you are multiplying with 0.2, 25 into 2 is 50, but you have to put one more 0, 3 points you have to take, so it will be 0.05 it will come. So multiplying with this one, 88 into 88 by 3 into 0.05. Okay, 15 into 35 you will get 525. Here you are getting 1.5 1.47 multiplication, you are getting 1.47. Then 525 minus 1.47, so it will be 523 523.53 centimeter cube it will come. So volume of wood is equal to 523.53 centimeter cube. Now fifth one. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the brim. When lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter, are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. So a vessel is there that is in the form of an inverted cone. So this is the vessel. It is completely filled with water. Now when you are dropping lead balls into this one, some water is displaced. Recall that you have learned in smaller classes, that is the Archimedes principle, that when a vessel is completely filled with water and you are dropping something in that one, the water displaced will be equal to the volume of that thing, okay, that is immersed in the water. Okay, so here the 1/4 of the water is spilt out. That means that volume of that spheres equal to that much water displaced. So you are asked to find out how many lead spheres are dropped in this vessel. So 1/4 of the water is displaced. So here height is given 8 centimeter and radius is given 5 centimeter. So volume of water displaced is equal to number of spheres into volume of sphere. Okay, so here volume of water displaced is equal to 1/4 of the volume of cone. How much water is displaced? That is 1/4 of the volume of cone. That is equal to number of spheres. Let us take that n, and volume of sphere, that is 4/3 pi r cube. So volume of cone, that is equal to 1/3 pi r square h, that is equal to n into 4/3 pi r cube, where this one you can take r1 and this one you can take r2. R1 is the radius of cone, R2 is the radius of sphere. Okay, then pi you can cancel, both sides are there. 1/3 you can cancel. So here you will get 1 by 4 into R1 square H is equal to N into 4 into R2 cube. So let us put the value 1 by 4 into R1 is radius of the cone, that is equal to 5. 5 into 5, H is 8. So that is equal to N into 4. Radius of the sphere, that is equal to 0.5. 0.5. So 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 you will get. So it's 4 and 8 you can cancel. So 5 into 5, 25 into 2, 50 you will get. Here 5, 5, 5. So 5 into 5 into 5, 125 and it is point. So it will be N into 4 into 0.125. Then 125 into 4. 0.125 into 4. It is 0.5. So N into 0.5 you will get, that is equal to 50. What will be N? 50 by 0.5, or you can cancel that point by multiplying it with, actually it is division by 10, that 10 will go up. So 50 you can 5 and cancel, 10 into 10, so 100. So you need 100 spheres to displace the 1/4 volume of that cone. So number of spheres required is equal to 100. A solid iron ball consisting of a cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter, that is 24 cm, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 cm and radius 8 cm. Find the mass of the ball given that 1 cm cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. So it is given a solid ball consisting of a cylinder. One cylinder is there. Over that another cylinder is there. So first one's radius it is given. Base diameter is given, that is 24. So radius will be equal to 12. So let us write that one. R1 is equal to 12 centimeter and H1 is equal to 220 centimeter. Now second one is also a cylinder. Its radius R2 is equal to 8 centimeter and height is equal to H2 is equal to 60 centimeter. Now you are asked to find out the volume, then find out the mass. So first find out the volume of the solid or ball. Volume of ball is equal to volume of bigger cylinder plus volume of smaller cylinder. So it's equal to volume bigger cylinder volume will be pi r square r1 square h1. and here it will be pi r2 square into h2. Pi value is common for that, so you can take that outside, that is 3.14. You can take it outside. It is asked you have to use pi value 3.14. Now 12 square or 12 into 12 multiply by 220 plus 8 into 8 multiply by 60. So 12 144 into 220 plus 64 into 60. So 64 6 up. Then it will be, the total value will be 300 sorry, the total value, this one will be this much. So when you multiply that, you will get again 1532.8, that much centimeter cube. Now this is the volume you are getting. You are asked to find out the weight of that one, how much mass. So mass of the ball will be equal to 1532.8 multiplied by 8 gram. So it will be this much gram, because we are multiplying with 8 gram. Or if you want to convert that into kilogram, again 3 points you have to take. So it will be mass of that iron ball will be equal to 892.262 kilogram.